let's dive into a crucial aspect of real estate investing known as hard money lending. Why does it exist in the first place? And as an investor, why is it a great opportunity for you to lend money in this investment vehicle? So there's two reasons why hard money lending exists in the first place, and it's speed and for repair funds. The best deal that a real estate investor can find is a motivated seller who's willing to liquidate their house at a discount in exchange for a fast sale. The value add the investor is providing is speed for the homeowner. If a traditional loan takes 30 to 45 days to get, the investor will lose out on a deal to another investor who has quicker cash available. The other value add hard money lenders provide is that they'll be able to lend repair money to fix up properties as well. Traditional lenders are equipped to handle distributing funds on a property renovation. So how does this work? A hard money lending company provides an asset-based loan and typically lends a maximum of 70% of what the property's total value is. They will then verify that the repairs are done and provide cash for the repairs when they are complete. They'll also get contractors to sign waivers when they've received money to avoid potential fraud from the contractor, where they go after the investor for more money after a project is complete. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Great hard money lenders also have intimate market knowledge, so they can provide a double check for the investor to ensure that their numbers are correct and help them avoid a buying mistake as well. Okay, then now here's where it gets good. There's also typically a passive investor involved that isn't doing any work and it has the opportunity to receive passive income. This is called private lending. What a private lender is in real estate is that they take their own cash and they'll lend it to the hard money lending company. So many times a hard money lending company is serving as the middleman, where it takes cash from the private lender and then uses that cash to lend to the real estate investor's deal. It marks up the cost of the money, and the profit the hard money lending company makes is the difference between what the private lender is making and what it's charging the investor on the deal. So there's a lot of work required to do these deals professionally. Obviously, a private lender can turn himself into a hard money lender and it increases returns, but that changes the investment from a passive investment to an active investment where you're doing a whole lot of work. So a quick overview of what hard money lending companies do. They do property valuations and lend at 70% loan to value. They have the ability to appraise the property and double check that the repairs are done. They make sure that all the paperwork's complete, from a promissory note, from a deed of trust, etc. They have a hard money servicing agreement with a private lender. And then when the inspections are complete, there's more paperwork to be done. There's lien waivers to get the contractors to sign. And then there's also disbursements as well. And then if the borrower defaults and there's a foreclosure that's needed on a property, there's also the potential to pick up where renovations have stalled as well. So the hard money lending company will typically take on all of that work and will even do the remodel should a foreclosure happen. And the private lender is able to just sit back, relax, and invest and earn passive income without doing any of the work. So obviously you can do it yourself. You can turn yourself into a hard money lending company, or you can be a private lender and lend money to that hard money lending company and let them do all the work for you. You will then receive returns periodically through the loan, and when the property ends up selling after it's fixed up, you'll receive the interest from the loan that you gave. So it's not tied into how much money or how little money is made on the investment deal. It's really more tied to just the interest that you were promised to receive. So if you have an interest in becoming a private lender on real estate deals, one of the real estate funds that I own actually does this. There's a whole process that we have to go through, and we aren't always taking on new private lenders. So make sure you just go to thepassivewealthshow.com, click on the invest button, and fill out the form on that page to start that conversation. Thanks. Have a great day.